So you know when your fruit is still edible, but it's not as pretty as you'd like it to be, go ahead and use it for other recipes, such as what I'm doing now. My daughter offered me to make a strawberry syrup with the strawberries we had here, and then I just put the blueberries in the freezer. I didn't use them for the syrup to add for flavoring in the SodaStream maker. Me being who I am, I wanted to come up with my own recipe, and I don't really want to give it because I kind of did a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I added agave nectar, raw unfiltered sugar, and a little bit of lemon juice. This is probably about 3/4 cups of water right now. Excuse me. And I'm going to go ahead and simmer this and then kind of just reduce it down and see what we get. I will tweak it a little bit, but I don't know how right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and begin off with just this. And there you have it, you guys. It came out really well, according to my daughter, and she's a really tough critic. It states that you can make up to 60 liters of carbonated water in each CO2 cylinder, and also that you're saving up to 730 plastic bottles a year by using the system as well.